individual. So it's not confirmed here whether he is king, he is queen, whosoever it is, a dictator. So that type of government is called a autarky government. Then the fourth one is gynarchy, as the word comes from gyno. So this is the government, the type of government which is being ruled by a woman. That is why it is called a gynarchy. The government, the state which is being run by a woman, by with the help of the rule of woman, that type of government is, that form of government is called as gynarchy. Then the fifth one, pilotarchy. Pilotarchy, rule by wealthy or power provided by wealth. Either the person who is ruling the government, who is the head of the government, either he is wealthy or the power is being given to him in the terms of his wealth. So it means that the state is run by the wealthiest person. Whosoever is the richest person in the state, he is being provided the opportunity or facility to rule the state. So uh, that type of government is known as plutarchy. Then the sixth one is cryptarchy. Cryptarchy. Six, cryptarchy. Cryptarchy means that secret rulership or run secretly. A person who is ruling the state secretly or running state secretly. He is not coming in front of the people that I am ruling the state, but he is ruling the state. But we can say that behind the walls he is ruling the state, not in front of the people. So that is cryptarchy. Then the seventh one is ecclesiarchy. Ecclesiarchy. Ecclesiarchy means rule by church. Rule by church. So who is the pope, who is the father, he is running the state. That type of, if pope or father is running the state, that type of government is called as ecclesiarchy. Then the last one is oligarchy. Oligarchy. Oligarchy is that type of government where there are few rulers, few ones, those noble ones, those the noble ones, or the persons who are nobles in the state, they are, if they are running the government, that type of, that form of government is known as oligarchy. So the different these are the different forms of governments, but in short we can say the popular form of government, which we have not discussed here, the most popular form of government today in the present days, which is working throughout the world, which is most successful, which is powerful also, successful also, and popular also. So that is democracy. And thank God we are in the state of that form of government, democracy. A democracy is that form of government where the ruler are directly the people. So in that way, indirectly the people are the rulers. Directly they elect the members, they elect the representations, and those representatives rule the state. That is known as democracy. So this form of government, it is in addition to the topic, but so far your knowledge is concerned. So this type of government, this form of government is most successful presently, most powerful also, and it is popular also. Thank you and have a nice day.